Hi, welcome. In our first lesson, we understood about Buddha's path and his meditation technique little bit. And today we will understand about his four noble truths. So, what are those four noble truths? Following that, you can start progressing on the path of Buddha. Because Buddha's path is not to give you money, success, peace, or happiness, but freedom from uh, the sorrows. Okay, so whatever suffering you have, whatever sorrows you have, you should get rid of it by following the path of Buddha. If you don't follow, then no matter what you do, you will have suffering throughout your life. No matter whatever you do, what you achieve, you will have suffering. So actually humans life intention and uh, the goal of human life is to get freedom from suffering. And for that people try all the time. They want to be happy and they do thousands of things to become happy, and they find themselves not at all happy after whatever they want to achieve after achieving that. So the path is to completely get rid of suffering. So the four noble truths are like, first, that life, you know life is suffering. Yeah, life is suffering. There is suffering in life. Okay, and suffering is because of the desire. This is a noble truth number two. There is suffering, and suffering is because of the desire or craving. You want something and you want it at all cost, and you say that I want it, I want it, and I want it, and that is the reason you have suffering. There is suffering, and desire is the reason for suffering. Okay, suffering will cease when craving that causes forsaken and overcome. If you overcome that craving or that desire, then the suffering will go. And the fourth one is, the way to liberation is through living the noble eightfold path. Okay, the fourth noble truth is, the way to this liberation is through living the noble eightfold path, or the middle path of life. And in our next lesson we will learn about the eightfold path. So these are the four noble truths. You should understand that. To understand the life, everyone is you know having lot of suffering in their life, all the people, all the being. But as a human, you have a chance to get rid of that suffering and become a happy, peaceful person, no, which doesn't require anything. You can be happy with whatever you have, and that is the path of Buddha. Okay, it doesn't stop you from trying whatever you can try to achieve, but you should be in a you should move in a way where you are peaceful, and then you go for whatever you want to achieve that. But at the same time, make sure that you follow eightfold path and know four noble truths. And then we will learn about the tools and techniques, how to do meditation once you are on the path, you've started walking on the path. Okay, so today you learned about the four noble path, and tomorrow we will learn about the eightfold path. Four noble truths you learn today, and tomorrow we will learn about the eightfold path. Okay, let's meet in the next lesson.